the wall. Candle wax maps where the shadows fall. I trace headlines like they're veins in a hand. Every whispered rumor feels like a command. Greening circles on a printed face, broad shoulders, jaw like a stone staircase. He's hidden in footnotes, buried in briefs. I'm chasing a monster and craving his teeth. Oh, I said I'd drag him to the light. Now I'm staying out all night, reading secrets like love letters from a man behind the gate. Flood my swamp, deeper in my state. I'm waiting in the murk just to taste that fate. If this is wrong, I still take the bait. Fall harder for the ogre, deeper in my state. Flood my swamp, let the levees break. If loving what I'm hunting is my worst mistake, then drown my fear, erase it clean. Take me deeper in my state. Briefcase hard and a tie too tight. I swore I'd burn every lie on sight, but I see him laughing in the margins. I mark thick skin, soft eyes blooming in the dark. He's every classified, they blur and redact. A heavy breath, myth wrapped in legal fact. I dig for the rot and I find his grin, like he's pulling my wrist, dragging me in. Is he the